Hey friends, if you encounter code 21, Windows is removing this device on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now we need to understand this error before we come to the resolutions. Basically, whenever you try connecting a USB drive to your computer or a pen drive to your computer or anything through the USB slot, even if it's a speaker or a microphone or a headset, anything, in that case you may encounter this error, and the issue is with the drivers of the USB. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list for universal serial bus controllers. Right click on USB root hub and then select uninstall device. Okay, I won't click on it, otherwise it will disable the mic. You have to just click on uninstall device. This will be gone. Then click on action and click on scan for hardware changes, and this will fix the problem in most of the cases. But if it does not, then you can run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next and it will start detecting problems and it will fix them if possible. Last solution is to update all drivers. Now, how would you update all drivers? Because there's so many of them if you start expanding to the lists. So the easiest way to update all drivers at once is to install optional updates on your system. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced options. Select optional features and install any available updates, and then return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.